The steel for packaging industry has just published its recycling rates for 2021. In other words, how much of all steel packaging put on the market was recycled. For the first time in years, these numbers went down. Did we collect less? Did we recycle less? Actually, no. We just counted differently. So why count differently? The EU Green Deal aims to make all packaging put on the market fully recyclable by 2030. And Europe has taken a bold step in adopting a new common methodology to calculate recycling rates. Previously, member states were allowed to use different ways for different materials to calculate the recycling rate. Some counted how much was collected, some counted how much was sorted, while others counted how much was actually recycled. This means that some of the reported rates were higher, and in some cases much higher than what was actually recycled. The steel for packaging industry welcomes that now member states have to report on materials accepted at the entrance of the recycling operations to calculate the recycled tonnage. So not what is collected or sorted. This is also true for steel packaging. However, the difference between using the old and new methods is minimal for us, which cannot be said for all packaging materials. Our third-party verified recycling figures show that 78.5% of steel packaging was recycled in 2021. That means that we have already reached the new EU steel recycling rate target for 2025 of 70%, 4 years ahead of schedule. Why is so much collected steel packaging actually recycled? Steel's magnetic properties make it easy to sort from any waste stream just by using a magnet. Over 200 steel plants in Europe use steel scrap as part of their manufacturing process. So the recycling infrastructure is already there, and if we get it back, we will recycle it. And steel is a permanent material, so steel packaging can be recycled without quality loss. It can be turned into a new steel product over and over again. In its next life, a steel food can might become a wind turbine, a train, a bridge, a building, or even a new food can. We call this a closed material loop. This minimizes waste, maximizes resource efficiency, making steel a material that is perfectly aligned with the EU's vision for a circular economy. I'm not here to trash talk other packaging materials. It is important for us to explain why we have reported a slight drop in steel recycling rates. When we talk about recycling, we should get our facts straight and give figures for real recycling. Let's make recycling rates count to build a truly circular future in the EU.